Hi, Brian from WorkClout here, and in today's WorkClout Lightning demo, we're going to walk through how you can use form templates and inspections to schedule annual internal audits within your company. So as you can see here on the screen, we actually have form templates pulled up for general company. This is one of our demo accounts, and I also have a number of form templates already created, and in this example, let's go ahead and start with the ISO 9001 audit checklist. This is a template that we've actually pulled in from our marketplace here, which houses thousands of best-in-class templates that you can actually browse through and start from. So very easy to get started performing internal audits. So there are three types of inspections that you can start with when you are using WorkClout. If I click create inspection here, you can see I can create a single inspection, which is one instance of an inspection using this form template. I can create an on-demand inspection, which allows your workers on the floor to actually access and create these inspections on demand, whether it be on the tablet, mobile app, or just scanning a barcode. And then the last one, which is actually really great for internal audits and ISO 9001 audits, which are usually performed annually, which is scheduled inspection, which allows you to actually set custom frequencies on when you'd like it to send out, which will also send notifications via email, via the app, to you guys, so that you don't forget to perform these internal audits before the actual audits happen. So let's go ahead and walk through that process. So if I were to click schedule inspection, what I can do here is actually going to bring up the window for me automatically. I can actually associate the form. It's already doing that automatically for me, which is very convenient. I can edit the name here, and let's assign it to an employee. Assign it to Arjun there. And I can set a custom frequency, but let's say I want this to actually send out on Friday at 4:30 p.m. Actually, let's just make it a little bit earlier in the morning. And I want this on, I have just once every hour, every day, but I kind of want a custom frequency. So let's do every year. Repeats every year. So every year on the 23rd of April at 10:30 a.m., it's going to automatically send out this inspection. I can add a description if I'd like to. I can actually add or create custom tags, which will allow me to easily filter these internal audits in the future from my inspection list. I can also require sign-off if I'd like to, and I can enable time tracking. So those are all options that you can configure. Anytime you make a change, it'll automatically apply to any future inspections that are created using this. So I can go ahead and create that. So once I create that, it's going to automatically bring me to this page that lays out all the information that I just set. It's going to show me my upcoming inspection using this form, this internal audit, which is April 23rd at 10:30 a.m. So that's in a couple days from now. But for example's sake, I already have one set up previously. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that so I can show you guys. So as you can see, this one I set every year as well, and I had to send out today at 4 p.m. And one instance of it has already sent out to this user. I can actually open it here on my desktop. This one has a timer enabled, so I can actually start the timer here. And once I start the timer, it'll allow me to fill out this inspection, fill out the ISO audit. So I can do that. Every field actually, which is really convenient, you can actually capture notes if you'd like, so you can add custom notes for every field to add additional context, or you can even upload images or videos that provide additional context for specific parts of every ISO 9001 audit. And if I ever want to come back to this, let's say I don't finish it right away, I have some time, maybe I'll come back to this next week. I can actually hit save progress, which will automatically save everything that I have going on. It's going to stop this timer. It's going to let me know that that inspection has saved. So let's go ahead and go back, and I'm actually going to pull in here my mobile tablet view. So this is actually a view of the mobile tablet. I'm going to open up that inspection just to show you guys that you can actually perform this fairly easy on any tablet, whether it be iOS or Android. So I already have this one filled out. This is the same one that we were looking at. So it's already filled out. I can scroll down, fill this out. I can even go into actions here. You see that I already have created a corrective action. So I can click into that, view it, go back, and let's say, you know what, I just want to save progress again. I want to complete this next week. And once you actually finish this, it's going to automatically update that everywhere in real time. So that one's already closed here. Just updated that in my tablets. And you can see it updated in real time in the dashboard as well. And if I click into the summary, it's going to show all the responses collected every year for the most recent version of this specific form. So that's a great way to kind of just see all the data that you've collected and all the responses that you've collected for every inspection that's been completed. So that is how you perform an internal audit using WorkClout.